We'll guide you through how to customize VS Code to make it truly your own. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open VS Code on your desktop. Go to the Extensions view by clicking the Extensions icon on the sidebar, or pressing Ctrl+Shift+X. In the search bar, type in the name of any theme or extension you want to install. Popular ones include Material Theme or Dracula Official for themes, and Prettier or ESLint for coding tools. Once you find the extension you want, click the Install button. After installing, you might need to activate it by going to View in the top menu, selecting Command Palette, and typing in Color Theme or the name of the installed extension to set it as active. For further customization, go to File, then Preferences, and select Settings. Here, you can adjust everything from font size to enabling autosave. If you want more control, you can click on the curly braces icon at the top right of the Settings window to open the settings.json file, where you can manually enter configurations. For example, you can change the font by adding editor.fontFamily, VSCode within the curly braces. To adjust your workspace layout, drag and drop the panels to rearrange them, or use the View menu to add new panels like the Terminal or Problems view. Finally, don't forget to explore the Keyboard Shortcuts section under Preferences to customize your key bindings, making your workflow even smoother. With these steps, you can turn VS Code into a powerful and personalized code editor that suits your style and needs. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.